Okay, today on the program we'll make Nutella. When my children were small, I wanted to find a healthier version of it with less fat and no artificial flavors in it. And searching the internet, I came up with this version of it. It's a combination of different recipes I found, and I fine-tuned it until I had the result I wanted. So let me share it with you today. The ingredients are very simple. We have hazelnuts, vanilla soy milk, sugar, brown sugar, and dark chocolate. What you'll need, if you don't have it, I'll give you another option, is a mixer with an S blade that we used in other recipes too, and a pot to warm. So let us start it here. What you do is you use your mixer, put your S blade in there, and we're going to reduce these hazelnuts, roasted hazelnuts, into a paste. If you don't have hazelnuts, roasted hazelnuts, you can choose to roast them yourself. If you don't have a mixer with an S blade, what you may want to do is buy hazelnut paste. Of course, they don't sell it without sugar, so you will have to diminish the amount of sugar in your recipe. But there's ways around it. So let's turn this into a paste. While the hazelnuts are turning into a paste, we'll go on with the melting of the chocolate and the sugar. You put first your soy milk, your sugar, and your dark chocolate that you've cut into smaller pieces. This is just so that it melts faster, okay? And you basically put this on low heat, stirring regularly so that it melts. You don't want it to overheat. The only thing we want is for the sugar to be and the chocolate to be melted. That's all. Sugar and chocolate have to be melted. Let me just show you a little bit. What you want to do is regularly scrape down the sides so that it will get finer and finer. All you need to do is be patient and let it run more until you have a paste. It's really a paste and it's nearly liquid. Okay, I'll show you in a bit. So here my hazelnut paste is done. Let me show you closer up. You see how it looks? So here we have the melted chocolate. You see there's no more sugar. The pieces of chocolate have melted. Let me just say a few words about the chocolate. If at all possible, please choose the vegan, organic, fair trade version of chocolate, because chocolate cultivation is responsible for deforestation in certain African countries. So please think about that and make it all around good product. So all we need to do at this point is pour in the hot chocolate, sugar and soy milk mixture into your hazelnut paste. Here our chocolate is put together with our hazelnut paste, and all we need to do is briefly mix all the ingredients. And that's it. You have your vegan Nutella, fair trade, organic, good for the planet, good for your kids, no added fat. Enjoy it. Well, with the Nutella we just made, we can also make some vegan truffles. You choose what you want to put around. Here we just have some dark chocolate, hazelnuts to intensify the taste.